So pa, network monitoring concept introduction. Welcome to the network monitoring concept practice lab. In this module, you will be provided with the instruction and devices needed to develop your hands-on skill. Network monitoring involves the observation and analysis of traffic to ensure optimal performance, security, and reliability. Packet capture, a fundamental aspect of network monitoring, includes intercepting and recording data packets as they traverse the network through an interface, allowing an administrator to inspect and troubleshoot issues at the packet level. Network discoveries plays a crucial role in understanding the network topologies, identifying connected devices, and mapping interconnection, aiding in efficient resource management and security enforcement. What were learning outcome? Packet captures, network discovery. After completing this module, we should be able to utilize Wireshark, utilize pfSense packet capture, conduct an AD host discovery, conduct a scheduled host discovery. Skip natin to. Record ba? Exercise 1. Packet capture. Packet capture involves recording data packets traversing a network interface. This process allows your administrator to analyze, diagnose, and troubleshoot a network issue at a granular level, aiding in the identification of performance bottlenecks, security threats, or configuration problems. Packet capture tools such as Wireshark facilitate the examination of individual packets, helping maintain network health and security. In this exercise, you will conduct packet capture with a Wireshark and a pfSense. Task 1, we're going to connect ACWin11 and then go to Wireshark. Loading pa. Connect Ethernet with Microsoft Edge. .192.168.0.5 admin password select Wireshark. Stop capturing packets. Ang sabi sa step 7. Search HTTP and then enter. In Wireshark, search through the filtered packets and select the HTTP post request from 192.tools of following info. Information. HTTP post. Okay. Expand the form URL encoded. Makita dito. Ito na ito yung yun. going to create a file that is name module 10. Okay. An underscore is intentionally used in the file name for ease of future use in command line commands. On the taskbar, select Wireshark. Click the file name menu and save as. Then PC. Module 10. Note this file is saved as pcap file. This file is accessible to packet and analyzing applications. Close Wireshark. Select Microsoft Edge. In the pfSense toolbar, user system, user manager, select add tayo. Charlie, password, a new user file is being created here so that a future packet capture has a user level, vice admin level, and credentials to capture. On the system user manager, edit, scroll to the bottom of the page and then select save. On the system user edit, tapos on the system under the effect privileges pane, select add. Effect privileges add, and then the effective privileges pane is not available until the user has been created. Under the user privileges, select and drop the menu for assign privileges field, web CFG system, user settings, yan, select na natin yun, then click save. Task 2, utilize pfSense packet capture. pfSense, an open source firewall and router software, includes packet capture functionality that allows users to capture and analyze network traffic passing through the system. In this task, you will capture traffic using the pfSense packet capture capability. Ensure you are connected to AS11. Microsoft Edge window is open on the pfSense page. In the pfSense toolbar, click the diagnostics drop down, then select packet captures. Diagnostic, packet capture. Packet capture, log. Packet capture na tayo. Diagnose yung packet capture. Select start. Put tayo sa ACID C01. On the taskbar, select Microsoft Edge. Select Microsoft Edge. And then going to 192.168.0.5 admin password mali pala log out tayo, log out. Charlie pala, Charlie. Tapos password 1, 2, 3. Nakalagin na tayo. Pasok tayo sa AS11. Scroll down and select stop. Wala naman masyadong stop lang meron dito. Balik ulit tayo dun sa ACID C01. Lapat tayo. Tapos AS11. Start natin mag-capture ng packets. Starting na. Tapos lagyan tayo dito. Charlie. Password 1, 2, 3. Nakalagin na tayo. Tapos balik tayo dito. Stop capturing packets tayo. Stop na tayo mag-capture ng packets. Tapos and then select download. And then what's next? Open the file. In Wireshark, type the following. IP. And 92.168 bagal. Paano yun? Paano yun? Yung end. Paano yung end? Hindi naman dito yun. Wala akong ganito. Bayad, control D. Paano yung symbol na yun? Meron dito sa laptop ko yun eh. Inawa lang natin ito eh. Pero sa, ano naman, okay. Yung ginawa lang natin kanina. Okay. Kung paano mag-capture ng packet. Close na natin lahat. Next na tayo guys. Ano tayong end? Sorry. Exercise 2, network discovery. Network discovery is the process of identifying and mapping machines within a network. Ad hoc network discovery occurs on demand, while scheduled network discovery is a planned and routine approach where automated scans are performed at predetermined intervals. In this exercise, you will explore ad hoc and scheduled network discovery through Nmap. Learning outcomes: conduct an ad hoc host discovery, conduct a scheduled host discovery. Task 1, conduct ad hoc discovery. Ad hoc host discovery with Nmap involves identifying and mapping active hosts on a network in real time as needed. Nmap host discovery features such as ICMP, ARP, and TCP, SYN scanning allows users to dynamically explore and gather information about the devices present on our network without the need for pre-scheduled scans. In this task, you will conduct an ad hoc Nmap host discovery scan. Step 1, connect to ASCII Win 11. Command prompt. Magpili. Refresh na natin ito. Yan na, napunta tayo sa command prompt. Pwede na kaya tayo mag-copy paste. Bawal pa rin. Damot. Ito yung ginawa natin kanina, Nmap. Ay, yung module 10 pala. Double check natin yung ano natin. Baka may mati eh. Yeah, but quitting yun. Quitting. Tama ba yung ano ko? Nmap SN 192.168.0 net plus module 10 Nmap host discovery ad hoc. Tama naman. Note this command execute an ad hoc host discovery scan using Nmap and the IP range of the reserve including this value will be saved in Nmap host at the specified on the taskbar. Select File Explorer, navigate to module 10. Ba't siya meron ganun? Tayo wala. Duda. May mali ba tayong sinulat? Net plus module 10 Nmap host discovery add hope wala eh. Dugat? Ba't ayaw? Ayaw guys. At ayaw na guys. Reset nga natin guys. Pwede pala na-reboot lang natin. Oh, pwede na. Nagre-record na. Okay. Guys, yung sa exercise 2, hindi natin makuha na yung file natin dun sa exercise 1 kasi kanina pa ako nagre-restart. Pagkagawa ko ng exercise 1, nagluloko talaga siya pagkaroon ng exercise 2. Nawawala tong ASIWin 11, hindi siya makakonect. So, ang gagawin na lang natin, mag-rundown na lang tayo, mag-breakdown na lang tayo. I-discuss ko na lang sa inyo ito. Hindi na tayo makapag-hands-on. Step 2, command prompt. We're going to type the following in this, and then enter. This command execute an ad hoc host discovery scan using Nmap on the IP range 192.168.0.0 to 192.168.0.255. The results of the scan, including the discovered host, will be saved in the file name Nmap host discovery ad hoc text at the specified path. Step 3, on the taskbar, select File Explorer. Alam niyo yung guys, yung nasa File Explorer natin kanina. Yung gumawa tayo ng module 10 doon sa module 10. Ano ba tawag doon? Module 10. Yung sa exercise 1 kanina, yung sa this PC, gawa tayo ng module 10, yung may pfSense, magkakaroon yun ng, pagka-type natin dito, pagkapasok natin dun sa File Explorer, magkakaroon siya nito, Nmap host discovery, kasi may pinasok tayong file na yung tinype natin dito sa sa command prompt, yan yung lalabas. Pagka-click natin na ito yung lalabas. Yung sa step 5. Pwede ba natin yan yung lalabas guys. Yan. Ganito yung lalabas. Close lang raw natin to. Ito task 2. Nasa ASIWin 11 tayo. Notepad from the best. Select notepad from the best match pop-up. In the notepad, select the icon plus, icon to add new tab. Ito. Sino yung plus? Ito. Add new tab. Tapos ayan. ano lang natin, parang ka-copy paste lang natin to dito sa notepad. A batch file is a script containing a series commands written in a batch script language typically used to automate tasks or execute sequences of commands in a Windows command prompt. These files have a BAT extension and are executed by the Windows command processors, allowing users to create simple programs or scripts to streamline repetitive tasks. This batch file conducts the same type of scan as the ad hoc scan completed in the previous task. Step 4, on the file menu, ito, select Save As. Magsisave tayo. Dito na lang tayo mag-focus siguro. Yan. Step 5, in the Save As, navigate to the C+ Module 10, type the following name, papalitan natin yung name, tapos ayun yung gagawin nating name, nmap.bat, ayan o, yan, ginawa niya. Tapos, yung bat raw ay batch file extension. Pinapa-close na niya na yung clipboard. On the taskbar, type the search box task scheduler. Ito. Open natin yan. The window task scheduler enables the scheduling of tasks or action at predetermined times or in response to specific trigger events. Ito. In the task scheduler action pane, select create basic task. Nasaan yung select create basic task? Saan ba yun? Create basic. Ito guys. Yan. Pindutin lang natin yan. Tapos, in the create basic task wizard, type the following in the name field. Ayan yung papangalan natin dun sa ano na yon. Ito, ayan. Yung name field na yan, papalitan natin ng host discovery. Yan. Tapos next. Next lang natin to. Tapos next lang raw ulit sa daily. This configure the task executed daily at the present time. Kaya daily ang sinelect, ang nakalagay talaga doon. Tapos select ulit natin, next ulit natin dun sa action pane. And then select browse in the program script. Yan, select natin to, yung browse. Left click natin yan. Tapos in the open pop-up, kasi pagka select natin dito sa browse, lalabas ang parang file manager natin. Tapos select natin yung nmap, then open. The task that is being created will execute an nmap scan via previous created batch file. Step 15, select next na natin to kasi natapos na natin yung nakuha na select na natin yung ano ba tawag doon? Yung yan. Dito tayo. Na-select na natin yung nmap.bat. Step 16, create basic task wizard summary. Finish na natin to. Ito, tapos na tayo dito na in the taskbar scheduler, in the task scheduler local pane, select task scheduler library. Ito, task scheduler library. Ito, nandito. Observe the newly created host discovery task scheduled to occur daily. Ayan o. Ito. Daily yan. Daily.
because it took a few minutes to create the task, the time trigger for the task has already passed for today. For this reason, the task will be executed manually for today's scan. In the middle pane, right-click on the host discovery task and select run. Ito to, right-click run natin tong host discovery. Tapos, pindutin natin yung run. On the taskbar, select File Explorer. Select natin yung File Explorer. And then, double-click the Nmap host discovery scheduled. Ito, double-click natin to. Ito na yung Nmap host discovery scheduled. Makikita na natin dito yon. Tapos sarado na natin na yung mga okay na. And then tapos na. Tapos na tayo, guys. Yun lang pala yung network monitoring concept.